Hey everyone, today I will show you how to turn flashing notification on your iPhone. So simply when I'm receive phone call, then I'm get flashing notification like notification when I'm get text, like get text from messenger. So look here, follow. So look here, I'm get message and turn on flashing. So I'm provide how can easily turn on. So at first open your iPhone settings, click on to accessibility, scroll down and click on audio and visual, scroll down, LED flash for alert, make sure to turn on and make sure to turn on to option. When you turn on this, then you get this feature.